Hello guys, welcome back another video. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to cancel Zable credit card. So all official steps you can see on your screen. So let's get started. So my dear friends, I want to tell you that there is only one method by which you can cancel your Zable card. So that is, you can say you need to send then an email application in the written form. Then you want to cancel your you can say credit card, and you just need to simply send the email at this email address you can see on your screen, card@zable.co.uk. And what is the email format? So email format you can also see on your screen. So this is the email address, email format. So you need to keep in mind, you need to write each and everything. So I will provide you this format in our video description box. You can go over there and you can check out each and every information. So this is the method by which you can send your email address. You can say you can compose your email. In the email you need to mention each and every details. Just replace your name over here, your card number, your email address, your phone number, and that's it. And you need to replace each and every information with your information, and just simply send this email to this email address, card@jable.co.uk. and once they will receive your email, and they will contact you, and they can cancel your credit card very easily. Okay, so this is the method by which you can cancel your Zable credit card. Okay, so hopefully you are getting my all the points. If yes, please hit the like button, and thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.